In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of Meta AI not showing on WhatsApp if you've been trying to access the exciting new features of Meta AI without success. We're about to walk through some essential troubleshooting steps. Ensuring your app is up to date is your first port of call. Head over to the Google Play Store if you're on an Android device or the App Store for iOS users and check if a new version of WhatsApp is available. You'd be surprised how many features require the latest updates to function correctly. After updating, remember to restart WhatsApp to apply any new changes effectively. For those using Android, it's also a great idea to clear your cache periodically. To do this, simply navigate to your settings, then tap on Apps, locate WhatsApp, and head over to Storage, where you'll find the option to clear cache. Remember, clearing data is a step further and might require you to back up your chats because it could log you out or alter configurations, so proceed with caution. Next, you'll want to check your device's compatibility along with its operating system version. It's key to ensure your device is supported because sometimes older models or significantly outdated OS versions can block new features. If you're someone who loves customizing and you're using a custom ROM or a heavily modified UI from a manufacturer, you may encounter unique glitches or quirks. A stable internet connection is also vital. A shaky or weak link can prevent features from fully appearing or functioning. If you're experiencing problems, try toggling between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if there's an improvement. Sometimes, all it takes is a solid and uninterrupted connection to get things moving. One thing to bear in mind is the possibility of a phased regional rollout or feature availability. Even if everything on your end seems updated and compatible, Meta AI might not be enabled in your region just yet. This phased approach is common with new features, so don't be discouraged if you notice others have access before you do. Additionally, verify your language settings. Some users have found that selecting a supported language, such as English, can help because certain features might be primarily targeted at specific language locales. While you're at it, check your device settings to ensure you've granted WhatsApp permissions like storage access and microphone use. As a last resort, consider reinstalling WhatsApp, but before you do, always back up your chats by navigating to settings, then tapping on chats and selecting chat backup. Once you're backed up, go ahead and uninstall WhatsApp, reinstall it from the official store, and during setup, restore your chats so you don't lose any important messages. These steps should help you resolve the issue of Meta AI not showing on WhatsApp, allowing you to enjoy all those new features smoothly. Thanks for joining us today. And be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Have a great day!